I invite you to become still and begin to settle. This is our time, dear friends, to enter our sacred place, to connect with God. We enter our sacred place with intent, and we enter it empty, as a jug before it's filled with water. We enter the silence to be still and know, to let the mind rest from its own activities and listen to God within. Sink into your chair, rest your feet on the floor, relax your face. Take a slow, deep breath and release. Drop your burdens. Empty yourself of outward things. Again, breathe in and release. Relax into this process. This is the time when we turn our mind inwardly, as if to the sun. We look inward, not distracted by outward thoughts or emotions, which are like the rays of the sun, but inward to the sun. Breathe in and release. Turning inward into our sacred place is touching the essence or nature of our mind. It is our God Self, the Divine Mind. Breathe in. Relax. Settle into a state of what the Buddhists call calm abiding. It is a place of peace and stability. Let go of thoughts and float. As you rest in this state of non-distraction, there is no need to focus on anything. Just let the mind be. Let the mind empty. The Tibetans say, water, if you don't stir, will become clear. The mind left unaltered will find its own natural peace, well-being, happiness, and bliss. Rest in calm abiding. Yet, as you rest, there is a presence of mind. There is no strenuous effort in relaxing. Simply rest in this most natural state of mind, without reference or concept, hope or fear, yet with a quiet but soaring confidence, the deepest form of well-being imaginable. As thoughts and emotions fade away, your true nature is revealed. Step through the sun's rays into the sun, into the light. beyond the threshold of human mind and into the indwelling spirit of God. Wisdom and loving compassion radiate from the mind's innermost nature. When we move into the light, there comes a great opening of our hearts in compassion, infused with a deep and pervasive love, a spiritual understanding, a knowing. This spiritual understanding, this love, this compassion, this wisdom is the purity of our inherent nature. Wisdom is our inner voice, the intuitive voice of God within, and is above the other faculties of mind. Wisdom is pure knowing. Wisdom does not come in any other way. It is not accumulated information. We are born with this pure knowing. It is a gift of God. It is embedded in our God nature. And wisdom only comes by kindling the inner light, by touching our true nature. It is this knowing of holding steadfast in the Christ consciousness that guides our whole being. Wisdom frees us from limited thinking. Wisdom is our fundamental goodness, our good heart, kindness, compassion, and love. It is the purity of a child's mind. It is us. It is who we are. And for the next few moments, let go and rest in our pure, perfect nature. Without losing this loving connection, see yourself slowly come back into your body, into this room. Breathe in and release. Wisdom can fill us, guide us when we let God be God in us. When we align our minds and hearts with divine wisdom, We let go of intellectual understanding, limited thinking. When we trust the divine mind, we allow wisdom to guide our paths, no matter how the path appears to our outward eyes. When we ask God. And let's close with the words of the poet Kahlil Gibran. In the stillness of night, wisdom came and stood by my bed. She gazed upon me like a tender mother and wiped away my tears and said, I have heard the cry of your spirit and I am come to comfort it. Open your heart to me and I shall fill it with light. Ask of me and I shall show you the way of truth. Ask of me, and I shall show you the way of truth. Know this deep. Be blessed and be wise, my dear friends. Thank you, God. Amen.